Okay, so I'm going to start working on roof repair here. This roof has been bad, but it's gotten worse, and then the crazy windstorms that we have around here. And then I think a squirrel was chewing over in that corner, and apparently a raccoon's been up here because there was massive poop up here, like, you know, like huge piles of poop, like a human was squatting out of that window and pooping. So I'm going to remove this crappy ass roll-on roofing or whatever's left of it. I think there's some felt paper underneath that, and then get that drip edge off. Remove this terrible stacked flashing crap that here, because like, what is preventing anything from going back behind that? Seriously, it's terrible. And we're about 20 feet off the ground. It probably doesn't seem like we are, but we're pretty high up. I gotta get the better ladder over here because that one over there is too flimsy. I don't feel safe on it. So I'm not sure. Yeah, and I did make a template with cardboard, and that worked pretty good. So that's pretty much what the roof looks like. And then with the roll-on roofing, you kind of lost that architectural, what's the word I'm looking for on that area, and it should mimic this side too, so it should be the same. And then I need a piece that goes here and there, so probably 3 pieces of zip board, unless I want to scavenge a board so I'm not wasting so much. But I need to get this roof off. Motorcycle's gonna be revving its engine real quick here with the Harley Club next door. But I mean, look at this. Like, why would you just lay this up here like this? Like, what is this doing? And then put some caulk around it. And also, like, fall off the roof here. Like, what is, oopsie, stuck here? Tar? Is there a nail? I don't know what's holding that down. It might be a nail still stuck somewhere. But really, honestly, yeah, I got my tripod hanging out the window. Like, what was that doing? What the heck was that doing?
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make 2 wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold, dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold, dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold, dark winter. Or did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold, dark winter. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted.
Yeah, there's like a whole bucket of tar poured right here, and then they had their flashing, and it's bad. Really, really bad. These boards obviously are newer. That one might be older. But yeah, then they poured tar down, and then they have their felt paper. It's just really bad. I mean, call me crazy. I'm not a roofer. Ugh, the cat's blowing back in my face. But, I mean, like, why would you do this? Why? Why? It's like they took... If I can get my hand back here. Like, what is this? What the hell is this? Why would they do this? Ugh, there's ants all over me. Ah! Hold on, ant colony. I just pissed off the ant colony. Oh god, they're at my arm. They're gonna come to me? Oh, it's coming to me. Oh no, it's another zombie cat. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow. Come here. Come here. Meow. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, poor baby. Hopefully it's okay. Kitty, come here, girl. Or boy. I don't have gloves on. Oh, are you okay? Oh, come here, baby. Come here. You okay? You're not gonna give me like mange or anything, are you? Are you pregnant? Are you a girl? Oh, poor cat. I think you're a girl, aren't you? Oh, hi, kitty. Yeah, it's a girl.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that tactical sign. Same ball cap, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town, the truth don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows.
Alright, got that. I need to do the center section now. I probably should blow this off. Fun people, fun times.
Every Porsche light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Goodbye, don't go too far. When it's written in the counting stars, I try leaving, tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah.
So this is what I got done for today. And I'm gonna go grab my flashing tape, and I should have got that stuff in a sausage container, like tar, and then went over all my nail heads, but they don't carry that, I don't think, at Home Depot or Lowe's, so I will order that online. But I need to get this sealed because it's going to rain, and I'm gonna go get the flashing tape and stuff. I'm gonna blow this off one more time to get all the sawdust and stuff off. Maybe I need to blow myself off because I'm full of crap too.
Thunder calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh.
What's up, Doc? Oh yeah. So we had a pretty good storm this morning, and I didn't film this, but I put the ice and water shield on, and I put the drip edge on. I did a really bad job on the drip edge. I did not record any of that, but I wanted to update you guys. It's rained, I think, twice now, and this morning it's like monsoon rain, so the roof hasn't leaked. I am still not sure what I want to use for a roofing material here. Either we're going to go back with, I don't know, copper would be really cool, but it's probably pretty expensive. And yeah, so this is what I got for right now. I definitely need to get something over the top of this, but it'll be okay for you know, for right now. Anyways, I'm going to get this video uploaded and post something, since I haven't posted anything on YouTube for quite some time. Yep, we definitely had some branches or leaves fall. I don't see any branches on this side right now, which is good. It's pretty windy this morning.